In every plant and animal cell, there is the presence of most important powerhouse of the cell that is called as mitochondria. Singular mitochondria, plural mitochondria. Each mitochondrion consists outer mitochondrial membrane, which is continuous membrane, not folded. Then inner to this inner mitochondrial membrane is folded like a finger-like projections. Folded into a finger-like projections. That projections are called as crista. Each crista consists many F1 particles on it. That F1 particles are also known as oxysomes. Why? Because final complete breakdown of glucose into ATP takes place on these oxysomes with the help of O2 or oxygen. Inside the mitochondria, breakdown of substrate or energy donating compound takes place with the help of oxygen, that is called as aerobic respiration. Aerobic means what? With the help of O2. Anaerobic means what? In the absence of O2. Single mitochondrion consists outer mitochondrial membrane, inner mitochondrial membrane. Matrix is there. Matrix consists DNA and ribosomes and all the enzymes required for aerobic respiration. In Marathi, what is in the respiration? Cellular respiration म्हणजे पेशीमध्ये होणारा श्वसन. श्वसन ज्याच्यातून ऊर्जा बाहेर पडते, ती ऊर्जा पेशी वापरते. For each and every activity, there is requirement of energy. That means whole body systems require oxygen for the production of energy inside the cell. With the help of which cell organelle? Mitochondria. Which cell organelle? Mitochondria. Therefore, mitochondria is most important cell organelle. Why? They donate energy for the working of organs, systems and our body. Here, each mitochondria consists outer mitochondrial membrane, inner mitochondrial membrane, matrix, crista, F1 particle. This is the ultrastructure of mitochondria that is seen under the electron microscope. Each F1 particle consists three parts: head, middle piece and base, or head, stalk and base. Mitochondrion is an important cell organelle involved in the aerobic respiration. That means with the help of respiration with the help of O2. Mitochondrion absent in the prokaryotic cell and RBC. Prokaryotic cell example bacteria. In bacteria and in red blood cell, mitochondrion absent. Mitochondrion consists outer mitochondrial membrane which is permeable to the substances. That means from the cell, the basic materials required for aerobic respiration are taken inside the mitochondrion. That means outer membrane is permeable. Inner mitochondrial membrane is folded, not continuous, and folded into finger-like projections called as crista. Each crista consists F1 particle and oxysomes, and each F1 particle shows head, middle piece and base. Matrix consists all the enzymes for aerobic respiration and DNA and ribosomes. Function: production of energy in the form of ATP. Therefore, mitochondria are also called as powerhouse of the cell. Why mitochondria are also called as powerhouse of the cell? Because inside the mitochondria, energy is produced in the form of ATP, and that energy used by the cell for each and every activity. Therefore, mitochondria are also known as powerhouse of the cell. Is it clear to you? Why mitochondria are also called as powerhouse of the cell? Because inside the mitochondria, ATP or energy is produced with the help of aerobic respiration, and that energy used by the cell to carry out each and every activity. Therefore, mitochondria is also called as powerhouse of the cell. Is it clear to you? Yes.